Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken wrap without using cream. So sit back, enjoy and see how I made this. So I started off by blending fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, habanero pepper and onions. So I'm going to boil it to dehydrate it or dry out the water. Next, I'll be peeling my avocados to mash it to get that creamy consistency in my wrap. So when I'm almost done mashing my avocados, I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon of olive oil. You can use whatever oil you have, but I'm going to be using olive oil and this will make the avocados come together perfectly. Here are some of the ingredients I'll be using to make this delicious chicken wrap. The full ingredients will be in the description box below. So in a clean pan, pour a little bit of oil. Then I'm going to be adding my onions, garlic and ginger, and I'm going to saute them for a few minutes before adding the chicken breast. So right now I'm going to be adding my chicken breast to the onions, garlic and ginger, and I'm going to be mixing everything till the chicken turns white. Once the chicken has turned white, it's time for me to add my spices. So for the spices, I have curry, thyme, oregano, salt, coriander, dried pepper, paprika, and seasoning cube. You'll need to keep stirring your chicken breast to incorporate all the ingredients and also to prevent it from getting burnt. You'll notice a change in chicken. The spices are incorporated, it's looking more juicy, and right now your chicken is ready to eat. But you know, for this recipe we are not using cream, so this tomato, the dried dehydrated tomato, will act as our cream. It's going to make the chicken wrap very juicy. So I added the dried tomato into the chicken and I'm going to allow it to cook for a bit. You'll notice that I added an extra seasoning cube. Well, I added half at the beginning and this is the remaining half. I'll also be adding about a quarter cup of water to prevent the chicken from drying out and an extra pinch of salt for that final kick of flavor. Right now the chicken is ready and trust me, it's really delicious. So I'm going to proceed to wrapping the chicken. For this video, I used a medium-sized store-bought tortilla wrap. So just take your time to layer your fillings however you want it. Try not to overstuff your wrap so you'll be able to fold it. I tend to put a lot in my wraps because I like it full and, you know, for every bite to have some chicken. So I don't always take my advice, but try not to overstuff it so that you can fold it easily. One last tip. If you hate avocados, you're not a fan of avocados, you don't even want to see them, you could actually still make this recipe without avocados. What you just have to do is that you have to put more tomato sauce and into the chicken so that it will still be juicy and it still tastes as good. You can totally omit the avocados if you don't want avocados or you don't have it readily available. My chicken wrap is ready and I'm just going to cut through the middle. As you can see, even without cream, the chicken wrap is still juicy and yummy. If you're trying to avoid cream, just try this recipe and I promise you, it's very, very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for now? Please, hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.